In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix gray screen on PC. Now, a gray screen can manifest in two ways, as a frozen solid color or as a persistent gray boot screen following an update. So if your screen is gray but the PC is still running, your graphics driver likely crashed during a background update. So what you want to go ahead and do is on your keyboard, press Control, Shift, Windows, and B. Your screen will blink and you're going to hear a beep. This forces Windows to restart the display driver without closing your apps. And if the image returns, then go to the device manager and check for a display adapter update to prevent it from happening. What you could also do is, if you're on an NVIDIA driver, is go ahead and type in NVIDIA app. And if you haven't got it installed already, make sure it's installed. It's completely free and you can just download it from any browser of your choice. And once it updates and once it opens, all you got to do is go over to the left where it has drivers. And if there is any driver that is available to go ahead and install, you want to go ahead and download this as well, because you'll be on the latest, most up-to-date driver, which can fix any bugs. Now, there can also be security patches that, mess things up. So what you want to go ahead and do, if you can move your mouse, but the screen is a solid gray with no icons or a taskbar, what you're going to do is go ahead and press Control or Delete, or go over to the search bar and type in Task Manager. And then on the very top, you want to see Run New Task. Go ahead and press that. And then you want to type in explorer.exe like this, and then go ahead and hit enter. Once you do, this manually starts the Windows user interface, and if this fixes it, the issue was a software conflict, likely with a third-party start menu or a custom theme application. Now, the final thing that you could go ahead and do, if the gray screen happens every time you start up, turn on the PC and on and off 3 times mid-boot to trigger the recovery environment, and then select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and then Restart, and then go into Safe Mode, and then go over to Update History, and then uninstall the latest update that you might have done for Windows, because it might be causing it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe,